Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to turn yourself into action figure using ChatGPT for free, and this is going to be a full guide on this topic. So make sure you watch it till the end to learn everything about this. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC, then go to the search bar, type in ChatGPT, hit enter and navigate to ChatGPT's new chat. So after opening the chat, what you'll have to do is simply copy the prompt provided in the description of this video and paste it in the typing section of ChatGPT. So this prompt goes like this. Create a smiling action figure of the person in the photo. Next to the figure, there should be accessories like, so you'll have to enter the accessories of the action figure that you're going to generate and add a hole to the top of the box in action figure and write the text. Then you'll have to add the name of the person or any text that you want to add, and below it add the tagline that you want to add. Then visualize this in a realistic way. So just copy this prompt, customize it according to your preference. So I will do it like this. I will simply head over here and paste this prompt. Then I will simply type in dash customize this prompt for the YouTuber Ninja. So I will type in the name of the person that I want to create the action figure. I can also give an image of myself, but I will add the name for Ninja. If you want to do it for yourself, you can type in create a smiling action figure of the person in the photo, then click on the plus icon, then click on upload from computer and add your photo. So you can click on upload from computer and choose a picture of yourself. I'm not going to use a picture of myself, but I'm going to use a picture of Ninja. Now I'll simply click on send icon. So you can see this just generated a prompt. I will copy this. Now I will upload a picture from my computer and simply click on the send icon. Now it will instantly start to analyze your prompt and you'll have to wait for a while after the generation gets finished. So as you can see, ChatGPT has successfully created the action figure of the person we asked. So this is pretty cool. The action figure has a theme, a tagline at the top, the accessories and the exact action figure. So we can download this picture. You can also click on the edit icon and edit this picture and add more elements to it, remove any elements if you want, and you can also do the same with yourself. So just give a picture of yourself, ask it to create the action figure of your picture. You can give a tagline, a name. You can enter the name of the accessories you want to add to the box and you would have successfully turned yourself into action figure using ChatGPT for free. So that is the simple way through which you can do this. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.